All right, we're gonna start with our curbing, button up to this wall right here, this existing wall.
Yep.
This is important to not hit that whatever you call it, internet.
Yeah.
I can't think right now. The internet line.
It goes to that.
So we'll hand dig that.
Okay.
No, that's the downspout that goes from right there to here.
Okay.
And then we'll follow this line all the way around here. We do got an irrigation head. Not there. I think he's just marking this downspout here.
Yep.
We got an irrigation head here. Yep.
Okay.
So we'll have to dig this up and fold it back over here. That way we don't get into it. Then we'll wrap around this way, and it'll end up going right here, right up against the step.
Okay.
So we got that. Let's get this over here. So when we dig everything out and prep everything, we can dump a wheelbarrow or two right here, a couple right there, and a couple right there to level these spots out.
Okay.
And if we have anything left over, we can dump it up there, just not on her flowers someplace. So this all looks good. This is a little bit wet right here. We'll have to be, I don't know why that's so wet right there.
Yeah.
Then we got this irrigation head. So we probably should dig this up and get it outside. That way it can be reset later on. Nothing around the patio. We did not do that, by the way. That's somebody else. And then right here, we're gonna start, flare this out. That way it's easier to mow around here. So let me start up here. Paint this line real quick. So we got an irrigation head here.
Okay.
That actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, I like it.
We got one here. We'll just have to push the edging back some. So I'm not really sure what that is. I think that's him marking the conduit going there.
Okay.
And we're coming up this way. Does that look pretty straight?
Oh yeah. Straight as a string.
Straight as an arrow, or?
Straight as an arrow, yep.
Straight as a laser. So this one's gonna stay because that's not on a flexible pipe. So he's gonna do something with that later on. So we'll probably have to backfill that a little bit.
Yep.
That way we can get or maybe we go with the outside edge or the back side.
Yeah, that's what I was picturing. This would be the back.
Is the back side?
Yep.
Yeah, I guess that'll work. Yeah, that'll work.
I think that would work for everywhere.
The backside edge, and then we'll just have a little bit. We'll have to shave off a little bit of grass. We'll have to shave off.
Yep.
We'll have to do it on the highest setting too.
Okay.
Because this grass is pretty thick. So why don't we get some shovels and dig up all the stuff first, locate all the irrigation heads, fold those out.
Yep.
Make sure we identify where that
the wire is.
Internet line is.
Yep.
Yeah, whatever you think, Logan, inside or outside.
Okay.
Probably inside, right?
As in, this would be the face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is good. We'll clean that up some more, but this is kind of low right here.
Okay.
So, see, that curb will be totally buried right there if we put it in. So we'll build that up, and probably this whole line right here is kind of tilted back. So we'll want to get it all at about this level right here.
Okay. Oh, it's our curb sand. So this is what the actual curbing's made out of, or at least part of it. So basically what we're doing is just filling in any of the low areas, smoothing them out. That way the curbing's not up and down.
We'll wait and finish this off once we get some more, because I think we're going to have to change that curve some. So what I'm looking at, if you look down here, kind of like right there is usually the edge.
Okay.
But, I mean, you got to be looking every which way.
Yeah. And then this goes up, right?
Yep, that goes up there, that goes down there. So you'll feel it as it starts going, it starts moving like this.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Looks good from right here.
Yeah, it looks good from this side for sure.
Something like that. All right, boys. What about this one right here? That one looks good. Maybe a little bit right here. Decent? Cool. I think that's good. And then once this stuff sets up a little bit, the irrigation guys will come in, dig this back some, they'll put a new fitting on it, and then re-aim this head. Same with that one.